Alright, here we go. So for me, I love it. All right. Keep in mind that there's a 4,000 rev limit, so can only go 4,000. All right, that's enough. All right, so this is how it looked from the side. So here you got one side angle. Here you got from behind. So this is at an angle. This would be from straight behind. There's the other side. So let's show you guys down underneath here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the headers and then I will start it up and give it a rev. So let me see if we can get down underneath to see. So there's the cherry bombs. They are, what is it? I think it's, let me set my camera down. I think they are 4 inches in the center and 3 inches in inlet and outlet. Alright. So here's the motor. There's the headers. And my strap got caught. Can't really see the headers that good on this side, so let's go to the other side.